Kani ato mga igsoon, igo ra kita ko makapalupad-lupad og drone diri sa gawas. Mayong adlaw mga igsoon. Karong adlaw padong kita sa New Star Cebu. First time nako ning musuod. So makita ni ilang security.
Oh, tanan na sir.
Sir, asa ko agya ni sir? Dere ana.
Tanan na kaparog ka gwardiya lito mana. Sige sir, lamat sir.
Alright mga igsoon, humana ta sa security check. We are about to enter New Star Cebu's car park mga igsoon. Sir, may hapon. Okay sir, sige sir. Right, mga igsoon, so nata sa ilang basement entrance mga igsoon. Sir, may hapon.
Sige sir.
Join me mga igsoon karong hapon na atong tanawon ang kaning newly opened nga New Star Cebu. Atong i-enjoy ning hapon. Ini siya nga area diri mga igsoon, mo na ni siya ang The Mall. Pohon dunay daghang mga brands ingon nga mga luxury brands mga igsoon. Mao na ni siya mga igsoon ang grand entrance sa New Star. Makita na to nga ang El Primo mga igsoon, ang first and only Italian steakhouse nga naa sa Sugbo mga igsoon. Ako ipakita ninyo mga igsoon na ang kaning sa gawas mga igsoon. Boss, mayang hapon. nara ilahang kuan mga igsoon, no? Nila mga igsoon nga kining El Primo Steakhouse mga igsoon, authentic Italian cuisines mga igsoon, ug doon na po sila Eastern European dishes and beverages. So authentic Italian steakhouse. By the way mga igsoon, not allowed magkuha og footage sa gaming area mga igsoon. So I hope masabtan na ninyo. Ato lang i-enjoy ang uban na parts sa New Star aside sa lang gaming area. So we are about to enter mga igsoon Philly, sir mga hapon, Philly Hotel mga igsoon. First all Filipino hotel in the Philippines. Nindot kay mga igsoon kay ang ilahang Philly Hotel o kining Fina restaurant, gi-highlight yun nila ang ato ang Filipino food and Filipino hospitality mga igsoon. Nindot kay no sense of pride and nationalism na pod mga igsoon. Dapat ug angayan kitang mapasigarbuhon sa ato ang kultura, pagkaon ug ato ang pagka-maabi-abihon mga igsoon. Sir, may hapon. Muna ni lang Fina restaurant mga igsoon.
Welcome to Philly Hotel.
Philly Hotel, all Filipino mga igsoon. First in the Philippines, ma'am, no?
Yes.
So, nindot kay mga igsoon kay ikapasigarbo ginato ang ato ang kaugalingon. Ma'am, thank you, mama.
Thank you. Philly and Fina.
Friendly ang lang mga security, but stricto sila sa security, but friendly ang lang mga security personnel. Boss, no? Yes, sir.
Yeah, our main lobby is right that area, and
Okay.
when the hotel will be open now. But here is our reception.
Are you already accepting guests, ma'am, or
Actually, right now, sir, we don't accept yet any walk-ins.
Walk-in.
Yeah, because our facilities are not yet done.
Not
and
yet
we
ready.
need to touch up sa rooms, finishing touch up. But
That's understandable.
But
Alright.
hopefully soon, sir, when we will be open now, hopefully we will see you and your family.
Yeah. We are actually planning.
Right.
Paano siya no katong integrated resort.
Yeah, this
so
is our first Cebu Integrated Resort.
so di lang ingon mall na po'y
yes.
laing mga attractions
Yes,
and
yes.
entertainment. So
Certainly, sir.
makalingaw gid siya. Ma'am, thank you kay
You're
mama.
welcome, sir. It's my pleasure po. Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
we'll see you soon, sir.
Hi ma'am, thank you. Makalingaw ang ilahang mga personnel, mga igsoon, no? Gawas ka friendly, they're all very knowledgeable sila sa ilahang work. So that's very important, mga igsoon. This is all for now, mga igsoon. Gawens of Cebuano 123, once again, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan, mga igsoon. Amping mo kanunay ug hinaot nga magpabilin kamong mahapsay.
Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long.
Maskin tuod, mga igsoon, ug wa pa yung mga shops nga open. Although dunay mga restaurants, but technically imo yung tanawon wa pa gyud siya. No, but nindot na ganing kayo, mga igsoon. How much more kung mo open na ang New Star Cebu 100%. So kita-kits, mga igsoon, next year po basin og ang New Star Cebu fully operational na.
Look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing.